Hey, Mahnaimid MemberStack here and welcome to MemberScript 204. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add last updated timestamps to your MemberStack profile update forms. So a user can see when last their profiles have been updated. So these are three different variations and you do not have to add them all at once. So the first one is if you want 3 weeks ago or 16 days ago, but you want the date to be abbreviated, or you just want them to see when last they updated their profile form. So if it's 3 weeks ago, 16 days ago, and so forth. And the last type of timestamp that you can add is 3 weeks ago, and then the date fully written out. Okay, let me show you how to set this up inside of Webflow. In Webflow, you are going to need to add MemberScript 204, and it should look like this. If you're watching this on YouTube, the link to that code should be in the description below. And if you're watching this on the MemberStack site, then you should have already seen the code. You can either add this site-wide or on a specific page where your profile form is. On the page itself, you are going to add a badge, and the badge can either be the first one, which is MS Code Profile Timestamp for this one that says 3 weeks and the date abbreviated, or you can add a timestamp of MS Code Profile Timestamp and then data MS Show Date, which will be set to false. So you do not want to show the date over here. And then the last kind of timestamp that you can add is MS Code Profile Timestamp and then data MS Date Format Long. So the third one over here. When a user updates their profile, that information is saved in their member JSON. So if I just actually update my profile over here, and then if I refresh the page, you'll be able to see that that profile update timestamp says it was just updated now. If I go back inside of MemberStack, and then I change this date to, let's say, 2025, and I refresh that page, you'll be able to see that it says that the profile was updated a year ago, last year, January. Okay. That is how you can show different timestamps for your users. If you have any questions on this, feel free to reach out in the Slide 2.0 channel.